Alright, guys, so we reached the end of the series, and here's the man himself. Just wanted to show
Hi
you
guys.
once more, and I just want to thank you, on camera, for the opportunity to show us all your watches. And just want to ask you one question: did you ever thought you had this many watches
No,
here?
no, no, I didn't. When I started to pull them out from the drawers, closets, boxes, I even I surprised myself.
Yeah, he had a couple of them in the fridge.
Don't say
Not,
that.
not kidding, not
Don't
kidding.
say that.
Wherever you look, there's a watch. It's like a watch heaven. So once more, thank you for the opportunity. Still haven't decided what gonna call this videos, but you'll see in the title up there. So
Okay.
right now we have some more watches to show you in the part, I don't know, 4 or 5, I don't know
I
what.
don't know, maybe.
But this is the last part. You still have some watches to show us?
Yeah, I have some pocket watches, but not all of them. The better pocket watches are in my parents' house, but right here I have some real cool pocket watches, different pocket watches.
Yeah, and we have a cool clock.
Yeah, real cool clock. I'll tell you all about it later.
Okay, we're now gonna switch perspectives, and we're
Yeah.
gonna show you closer
is-
look.
A Russian pocket watch. It was real cheap in this part of the world. It's so cool. It's so nice. They made them in I don't know like
It's
a million
money.
different ways, colors, and things like that.
So we have here Monia pocket watch, and I really love the star. The star bought me about it. It's really cool, and
Yeah, Molnia is a really cool watch, cheap watch, and I give them a lot as a present to somebody. And they made them in so different ways, different colors, shapes. It's so loud. It's nice. Can you hear it?
it's super cool. I don't know if you heard this, but that's my favorite part
Yeah,
about Monia.
This one is also Molnia. I think Hunter's watch. I don't know, but it's so different than this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, open it.
You can see some naked ladies here. Definitely. And this is my favorite dial. This one here. I don't know, is this Artico or what, but I just like it.
It looks like a clock.
Yeah.
Clocks
And it
used
looks
to have
really
dials.
expensive,
Yeah,
even
but
though
it's not.
it's not. So moving on, we have
Yeah.
some Swiss watches here.
This one is rail watch. I think.
If you like trains,
Yeah, it's from
Turkish railways.
Railways. Yeah. It's a Swiss watch, quality watch. A nice watch.
like Sheldon Cooper says. Someone asked him, why do you need a pocket watch? Who doesn't? Everyone needs a pocket watch, and this is super cool. These usually have unitas movements.
Yeah, this one also has a Unitas movement.
This
And
one,
from this watch is easy to make wristwatch.
I like the hands on this one,
Yeah.
and I like the dial on this one so much better. Look at this breaking
Yeah,
whorls and
yeah.
the hands on it.
Beautiful.
This one is Doxa.
Yeah, Doxa used to be very popular in this area, in this part of Europe. Doxa, they probably had a good commercial or something like that.
Yeah, now we know Doxa for the Shark Hunter dial watches and
Yeah.
nothing
And
else.
this one is 8 days, I think.
Ach, Tage.
Yeah, 8 days. If you wind it, it will work for 8 days. It was a big thing back in the day.
It's a big thing now. Would you love your reverso to have AD power reserve?
Ooh. So
This was just pocket watch, but yeah. Sometimes when you wound these watches and they don't want to start, you just need to give them a little shake or whack from behind, and it starts.
it's like all mechanical things. And this is maybe the oldest one. It's no name. Back in the day, the brands didn't exist. They just want to make a quality watch, so they didn't put the name of the company
Is
on
the
the dial.
silver case?
I think it is. It's a silver
I
case.
can see the silver patina
And
on
maybe
it.
it's about 150 years old. It should be.
And it has a clutch here.
Uh-huh.
So when you want to set the time, you press the clutch and
With your nail.
yeah. Me personally, I don't like a watch when it doesn't have a name on the dial. It's kind of bad peeve of mine, but it's super cool because this is the period correct, and this is the closest thing to a pocket watch we have here that the cowboys in the 1800s had, and it's super cool. I just love it.
Yeah.
It was like a cell phone right now in the pocket. So that's how I see pocket watches.
It was. Well, only rich people could have a pocket watch.
Well, not only rich people could have a cell phone, but
Yeah.
it's a thing. And this is the favorite thing. Whenever I come to visit, he has this in a display case.
Yeah, because it's so nice. It looks so beautiful. It's not some important brand or anything, but it just looks beautiful. Look at it.
Yeah, it always catches. It's such a conversation starter. I always stare at it. And I need to get me one of these two cases so it can stand and sit here on this.
Yeah, look at this.
It's such an awesome piece. So what brand is this?
I can't remember, so you have to read it.
It has a display case, and I think this is for show, more for show. It says Selva.
Yeah,
It looks nice. I love it.
it looks real nice.
Oh, really?
Even if it's yellow.
Even if when closed, it looks nice. Okay, and now we have, I think, the star here in this video. This is,
GLC.
yeah,
GG.
Gigalicotre.
Helicopter, and it has a really cool story. I saved this one from a flood. In our country there was a big flood, I think 2014,
Yeah.
and I found this watch after a flood from some guy, and I bought it from him. It was full of mud, if you believe it. It was like up to here in mud, and it was not looking good, and it was not working and things like that. And I gave it to my cousin, and he took it to our friend in Belgrade, who is a watchmaker, and I asked him to try to save it, or even to fix it to look nice, even if it doesn't work. Something was broken in
So
the...
does it work now?
Yeah, and he told me he can't fix it, so I told him just to wash it and clean it and just to look as nice as it can. And one day when I went to him, he surprised me and he gave it back to me as a present for my birthday, and he even didn't charge me the service. The service was a present for my birthday.
Such a cool story and such a cool watch.
Yeah, it's so nice. It
I
looks nice anywhere you put it. I do not know.
I don't even care if it's a Gigalicotre. It
Yeah,
just
it
gives
doesn't
you
matter.
bonus points. But
Yeah, it's
such
so
a
beautiful.
cool design.
And it's a brass case, and I love brass.
Yeah, I thought it was gold plated.
No, it's brass. It's brass.
That's even better.
Even better. And it's in a display case, and you can see the movement. It's so cool. It used to say here like Gigalicotre, their brand name, and in a flood it was washed away. So I thought of printing it, but I simply let it go. It's beautiful the way it is, and it has a so cool story.